Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're doing our sinking funds and savings end of month totals. And if you guys are interested in watching this video, just stay with me and we're gonna get going. So we're gonna start with our priority binder. And we're gonna put what we added, or if we subtracted anything for the month, and the total that's left, and verify it in our binder. And I will possibly be taking cash to the bank because I don't like to have a lot of cash in the house. So we're going to take account of everything. Our priority binder is here. Let's just move some of this stuff out of the way. The first envelope we're looking at is our medical envelope, and we added 10. We started with 30 and we added $10 for the month, so our total should be 40, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we're not going to take anything out of this since it's not a lot of cash. So ending balance in medical is $40, and we didn't take out anything for the month. For dental, we started with 20, and we added, I'm looking at my side sheet. I have a sheet that I have each week what I added, and we're going to talk about the ending week in a second because we didn't get to do any stuffing for ending week. I'm going to explain what happened. So my dental, we added $10, $20, $30, so we should be at 50, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50. So 50, we're gonna put this to the side to go to the bank, and we'll just add a 50 fake bill. So we have 50 going to the bank. A lot of stuff on the side of my desk. Let me just move it out the way. So we added a 30 this month, so we have $50, which we're taking to the bank. Then next we have, oops, let's get a 50 bill so we don't get anything confused. So we add in a 50 bill in our dental. For taxes, we started with $20 and we added 5, 15, $25. So we should have 45, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, $45. So taxes, we added 25 and we at $45. I could add this 30 in the bank and add a fake 30, because once we add, we'll have a 50, so we're gonna add fake 30. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45. we're gonna add a fake bill next stuffing, hopefully. So this 30 is going into the bank. Business expenses started at $5. We added $19 during the month. 19 and 5 will make 24. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's correct. I'm going to take the 20 out and add a 20. So we have 24. Oops. So I can do everything once I go to the bank. Moving. We started with 10. We added 20, 30, 40. So we should have $50. 20, 40, 50. And that's right. So we're going to take this 50 and add a fake 50. We're going to try to do this each month. Unforeseen anything happening. So we have a fake 50 in a PO box. We started at 15 and we add just 5. So that's 20. Seems kind of weird leaving that 5. We're going to take the 5 and add a 20. Take the 5, add a fake 20. I need to find a better way to store my fake bills. So we're going to add a 20 to PO box. That's the end of my priority binder. Oop, almost left my phone in there. Then we have a low priority. And the first envelope in there is household. Household, we started with $5 and we've added $10, $15. So that should leave us at 20. We're going to take that to the bank and we're going to put a fake 20. Oops. We're going to find a better system for this, but next we have YouTube. We started at $5 and for the month we added 5, so we have 10. YouTube is 5. So we have a total of $10 and we're gonna add a fake 10. Oop, I just love to see this. You sold an item on eBay. Holla. DJs. I started at $3 and for the month we added $13, so we should have 16, and that's correct. So BJ's, we started at 3, we added 13, so we're now at $16. And my other tray, this is why I like my other tray, but it's occupied right now. So we're going to take out 15. I'm going to take the 15 and add a 15 fake. For BJ's, 10, 15, 16. Ooh, Amazon, Amazon Prime, we started at 20. And for the Amazon Prime, we just added $2. So we have 22. So we're going to do 22. I'm going to try to do this at the end of every month, like I said, and see how it works out. So I don't have a lot of money in the house. All of my sinking funds is in one account. So, you know, I just put this in one account. And once I take something out of that account for a specific category, then I record that. So I know that medical has 40. If I spend $20 in my doctor's office, then I know I have to take out 20 from medical. So this is going to have 22 for Amazon Prime. I have a whole entire year to save for this, so this is not until next year. And Christmas started at 45, and all we've added is $5. So this is 50 Christmas. So this is $50. And we're going to take the 5 and get a 50 bill. And Christmas has $50. Whoop, whoop. What did I just add? This one had, what's that? A single? I'm just going to add a fake singles since we're going to the bank anyway. And that was BJ's. So everything's going to be fake until we start our stuffing again. Then we're moving to our personal binder, which is my little kitty. So for my son's birthday has started with 5. I added 5, 10, 15, so it should be 20. Since I'm gonna give him cash, we're gonna keep the cash inside of that. So add 15. He has 20. My heat press machine, which I'm gonna change to clothing because I changed my mind about the machine. We started at $20 and we added 15, so that's 35. So we have 35, 20, 35, and we need to put a 10 and a 5. Whoops. So, what is that again? My heat press machine. My tattoo. Not sure how I'll be paying for the tattoo, but we're just going to see what it has. 10, and I added 25. So that should be 35. 10, 20, 35. So this is 35. We're gonna leave the cash for my tattoo. TJ Maxx. Oops, sorry. That's 10. Since I shop online mostly, I'm thinking, you know what? We're gonna leave the cash for. What's this? TJ Maxx. So we added 5 for the month. These things is not priority, so Amazon shopping. Since I do that online, we're gonna add it to the account. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Started at 5. added 5. So now we're at 10. Oh, so we're gonna put this in the account. So 5, and we're going to add what I said. Amazon has $10. My goddaughter's birthday. We're gonna keep in cash because we're gonna give her cash. I'm probably gonna get a $50 bill for her when I go to the bank, so I can put it in an envelope. So she has 53. Started with 10, and let's make sure our record is correct. We added 10, 30, 43. So that's correct. So now it has 53. And the 3 is to continue for my best friend's birthday. Vacation, which is a recent envelope. So I started at 15 and add. Hey, my vacation. Oh, I forgot I owe my vacation $20. Whoop, 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 whoop. So we're going to take 20 from here and put it back. And we're going to leave the cash for now. Because, let's see. You know what? We're going to put this in the account. And vacation. I added 15. Vacation, we added 10. So how did I get 30? No, we started at 15 and at 10. So how did we get 30? Unless my vacation started at 20. Let's check that out. So now we're going to add up what we actually save for the month, whether in sinking funds or savings. 10, 30, 13, 2, 25, 19, 40, 5, 15, 5, 43, 15, 5, 15, 15, 25, 5, 5, 133, $1, 800, 356, 80, 100, 280. We saved $2,042. I just want to say something. I've never, ever saved this in 1 month. I don't think I've ever even saved $1,000 in a month. I probably spent that in a month. And I'm so proud of myself. I'm going to go back and check my miscellaneous spending, see how much I really spent for the month, and give myself a pat on the back. So I'm going to count up this money and see what I'm taking to the bank and write up my slips and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this. And like I said, I will try to do this at the end of every month so I don't have a lot of cash in the house. And I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I upload a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.